You tired? Gonna have a little happy nappy? Aww. Charlotte's tired. You're so silly. Oh. Oh dear. Do you need to be covered up? Like a baby? Let me cover you up. You lay down. No? You're gonna lay on the porch. Charlotte, would you like Mommy to help? Okay. Here. Let me cover you up. Look. Oh, nice baby. Going to sleep. Ew, Goose. Ew, Goose. Charlotte, you gonna ride your car? You gonna ride your car? Oh, that's a car too, isn't it? It's a taxi. A big yellow taxi. Yeah, he's yellow. Would you like a pillow? Mommy can find you a pillow. Let's see. Here's one from the chair. Here's a pillow for your head. There. Oops. Okay, wave goodbye. To me. Good girl.